Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, I continue to track a very dynamic weather system. We've had the heavy rain. We've had strong wind gusts today out of the south, 40, 50 miles per hour, some street flooding. Now a rapid temperature drop is on the way. And of all things, later tonight, snow as winter makes a brief comeback. So a lot to cover. First, Doppler radar. You can see, of course, you saw in Maryland's live report, the wind and the rain continues, heavy at times. We're tracking a strong cold front, the leading edge of sharply colder air. In fact, has already changed over to snow. Western Mass, Western Connecticut, and New York City. That snow and colder air headed our way. Now, fortunately, it won't last long, the snow. The cold will stick around for a couple of days. We'll show you that in just a second. But look at the big temperature drop overnight. Let me step out of the way. By 7 o'clock in the morning, it's down into the upper 20s to low 30s. So this cold front that's coming through right now means business as far as dropping the temperature hour by hour overnight. Continuing with the rain in Providence right now, big temperature change as we are returned to very cold air, at least for this time of year, with the snow likely during the pre-dawn hours. I'm thinking somewhere between 2 and 5 o'clock in the morning. This will set up for much cooler weather the remainder of the work week. 39 Gloucester, while it's 51 in Fall River. So the cold front's right about in here. To the north and west, the temperature's dropping off rapidly. To the south and east, it's still close to 60 where Maryland is in that rain, and temperatures in New Bedford in the upper 50s. You can see that slug of rain continues. And so far, nearly an inch of rain. But notice, once the snow goes through, behind that, it does dry out and clear out. And actually, the sun will return by later tomorrow morning. Watch how the temperature tumbles overnight. Starting at 11 o'clock this evening, the blue represents the colder air draining down. Here we are tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. And even with sunshine tomorrow afternoon, that's it, 45, so a very cool day. And then winter cold setting up for Wednesday night into the pre-dawn hours of Thursday morning, back down to below freezing. Futurecast starts off this evening at right about now with the rain coming through. Blue and pink represent snow. This is around 3 o'clock in the morning, still raining in southeastern Mass. By 5 o'clock in the morning, the back edge of the snow is passing through southeastern Mass. Then notice by 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, everything is gone. Skies are clearing out, though we may be left with some icy spots, but the sunshine will get to work. I mean, temperatures will go well above freezing tomorrow afternoon, but it will be a chilly day for this time of year. As far as accumulations, now we're not talking plows and snow blowers, but thin coatings are not out of the question by daybreak tomorrow, especially car tops and grassy surfaces. And with the temperature falling below freezing, well, there may be a little bit of icing. So the rain changing over to snow overnight, but then drier air coming in by tomorrow morning, but starting a little icy early on. But the sunshine gets to work, and obviously well above freezing during the afternoon. But these numbers are still pretty cool for this time of year. As we check out your Futurecast and the remainder of the week, Thursday is dry but cool, not bad for Friday. A couple of showers on Saturday, but just in time for Easter Sunday. We'll dry things out, partly sunny skies and seasonable temperatures and daytime highs in the upper 50s. If we do get a coating overnight early tomorrow morning, of course, this time of year, the sun is strong. It'll be gone by 10 o'clock in the morning.
Got to be careful, though, driving tomorrow morning?
Very early, especially on treated surfaces.
Okay. Thank you, Tony. Coming up next.